Duda. Who is she? She's bad. No? She's not nice. She is friend of the ugly woman. Oh, she got her again. She's very evil, isn't she? Don't like her. Now she's getting the prince. The prince is drowning again. Here. You see?
Like Kate?
I don't know. Turn the page. Nah, they got married. and they lived happily ever after. You see? What does that mean, Duda? They lived happily ever after. Eles viveram felizes para sempre.
Era mamãe no casamento.
Que lindo!
Dá um beijo. Dá um beijo.